Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Police have launched an investigation following the discovery of what appeared to be human skeletal remains in Central Village, St. Catherine, on Tuesday morning. It is reported that the skeletal remains were found in shallow graves. My viewers and subscribers, I understand that the police are conducting a further search of the area. Jesus mercy. You know what? I remember when L.A. Lewis did found whole heap of skeleton and something there. Skeletal remains. Who remember? I remember when L.A. Lewis did found. Go somewhere him go and he find them. And he was reaching out to the police and tell them, say, they go down there and have a look. And the police, they ignore. You understand? I don't know why them do that. I just don't understand why them do all of that. You get me? And now here is, wait, that the skeletal there where L.A. Lewis find. As somebody remains, As somebody remains. See him like what them at discover now. But it just bring me back, my viewers and subscribers, last year, around the Donnelly time or the year before last, I think. Yeah, I remember when he find some skeletal and he reach out to the police there, man, he tell them so then if you come down there and search and whatever and come and look a whole heap of bone him find. But I don't know what happened. I don't know if I like then I like L.A. Lewis or what. Because this I don't know liking thing, you get me? I don't know liking thing, but still, nevertheless, they never go. But anyway, this one now, where them find, St. Catherine police launch, because obviously, you hear them say they launch an investigation following the discovery of what appeared to be human skeletal remains. So, well, as I said, to my understanding, them still at the further investigation. So, when I get any update, I will let you guys know. Two men died following a crash on the Richpen Main Road, St. Elizabeth, about 9:36 Tuesday night. The men have been identified as 62-year-old Winston Sinclair and 52-year-old Vernon Forbes, both farmers of Little Park and Roundhill District in the parish. My viewers and subscribers, I'm taking the small clip here. I just want to say rest in peace to these two persons, and my condolence goes out to the family. The opposition is taking the administration to task over the non-implementation of capital budget projects in relation to bridge development and construction, as the entire $1.29 billion allotted in the 2023 to 2024 budget to undertake these activities has been sent back to the government's covers. My viewers and subscribers, the government failed to implement bridge project of $1.29 billion. Look from when that the bridge they did if fix. Look from when. Look from when. Honestly, the picnic them a risk them life, Look from when, and then on talk about Andrew always care about kids and Andrew always care about health. Lie. Andrew always not care about a soul. Me tired to tell you no. Look how much years. Last year make it was 2 years. I think this year I gonna be 3 years or even more since the bridge is there. Now we don't fix the bridge. I'm not taking the video clip here with Mark Golden because Mark Golden, he's not happy about it. He even do a tour and he went and he looked at the bridge, and that was last year, my viewers and subscribers, and still up to now, Andrew Holness will come up with no plan to fix the bridge. You know, say through a PNP area. This, let me tell you, all of them are sabotage. A picture because of PNP area. That's why I'm not fix it. This is what I believe anyway. You understand? Because if something go viral on social media and it was in a film constituency, maybe you wouldn't deal with it long time. But through a PNP, no. And you can see that the opposition side is willing. But I'm telling you, sir, Andrew Holness have the angle. They have to make sure so they get them sign over and they have to sign it. You understand? And they get how much money? How much money he get? How much money Andrew Holness get? And Andrew Holness can fix the bridge and say, oh, the people them have to walk, go across, so go figure a school and go them yard. Hey, you say Andrew Holness. I mean, I know one I hype about Andrew Holness for, you know, some of you know, some of you what listen, you know. I hype about Andrew Holness. What listen on enemy of progress. Me not understand uno man. Me not understand uno come like uno lick uno blouse and skirt head back. Really and truly. My viewers and subscribers, uno take in Mark Golden and hear what you have to say. And this video clip was done last year.
This is what the school children are doing. The residents of the wall.
We're here, I'm doing a tour with MP Michael Phillips of Northwest, and also we'll be visiting Northeast Manchester today. This is part of just going around the country and seeing what's going on, hearing from the people and meeting and greeting the people. We're here at Troy Bridge, which, as you know, has been down for I think 2 years or thereabouts, and MP Michael Phillips has been a strong advocate for the reconstruction of a bridge because the residents on both sides of this river, it's Hector's River, are dependent on a bridge in order to go to school or indeed go to their workplaces. And what is there right now is a makeshift device made out of bamboo, fairly precarious, which only somebody courageous and agile would really venture across. But for elderly people and little children, it would be very dangerous for them to try it. And we have a makeshift pulley system to carry, physical items across, obviously not of any great weight, but that is what the residents have had to, turn them hand and make fashion, so to speak, to try and survive this situation. So we've been tracking. I hear Caah has been advocating hard for it in Parliament and outside, and he was just giving an update of the latest with the procurement issues, and apparently it's now at the stage where they're still trying to decide whether or not it's an emergency situation. But it clearly is something which needs to be addressed very quickly, because this is a vital route for the people living here in Northwest on the border with South Trelawney, is it? Yeah, South Trelawney. So this can't wait any longer, and I use this opportunity just to call on the government to prioritize this bridge and get it done.
My viewers and subscribers all know, Andrew Holness is busy building infrastructure for rich people, busy building highway for rich people. That's it. You don't care about the healthcare system. And he don't care about no pitney. That's the number one, because Andrew Holness know. He know what happened about the bridge. It's not like he doesn't know. He know about it. Mark Golden called upon him more than once about the bridge. Then you have Overton Warmington, I wear one name, Everall Warmington, come out with him dirty mouth corner. Shut off him out. And I talk about, oh, if I that the bridge, they alone in a Jamaica need fix. And a them a type of people here who don't want to lead. You see, sometimes when I say no come and comment foolishness, I feel laugh at that one, you know. Because I say, it come like when I get a licking on the head back. Because you know have no damn sense. These are the people who don't want to lead we. These are the people who don't want to lead we. Mighty God. Me not understand. When I say, and look how much money Andrew Holness make. How much money they get off of taxpayer money plus what money where they borrow. And all Andrew Holness is doing is putting it into infrastructure. That's all he's doing. Me not see him do nothing else, really and truly. Me not see him do nothing else. And then he just back it up. Yeah? With some little baby houses where you see him a bill for some 1 and 2 people. Come on. You understand? And the real deal, he's not doing. And then on the talk about Andrew Holness is a good prime minister. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. My viewers and subscribers, I come across this message. It was sent to Pinkwall, and Pinkwall put this out. And this is what the person said. They said, I work in a hotel and we are getting a lot of cancellations because of the level 3 travel advisory from USA. Why Americans them awful and lie? So, when you hear what this a hotel worker say? This a hotel worker, yeah. I say, why Americans them awful and lie? So, the thing when I want to ask, how American reaching at this? What American lie with? The crime and violence, did she really or did he really read the adversary? That me want to know. And the only crime that is happening and no care in the world with the healthcare system. This is the reason why they put out the adversary. This is the real reason. And then, on top of that, Christopher Tufton run out and say, Jamaica can't cater for how much millions tourists will come to Jamaica. This is what he said. He said the healthcare system for Jamaica cannot cater for the tourists who come to Jamaica. So what you expect? What you expect? Sometimes you have sense. You have sense. Then if you cancel 100 times. In addition to that, the person said, this is heavily impacting the tourism industry in a negative way, and the government of Jamaica not even can put out something to assure foreigners that this is an exaggeration. All right. As I said before, Christopher Tufton run out, and Christopher Tufton say Jamaica healthcare system cannot cater for the millions of tourists that is coming to Jamaica. So what you expect? What you expect I go happen? That me said before. You understand? So when I see this, you know, some never they got touch back on it. But when I see it, when I spot it, I say, no man, I have to share this with Uno for sure Uno where some people headspace there. You understand? It is the crime and the healthcare system is crap. The healthcare system is really crap. So I don't know why this girl or this boy attack off their mouth and I chat about exaggeration. This is this a real life. Really. You sad man, really sad. My viewers and subscribers, let me read out a bit of the adversary. Reconsider travel to Jamaica due to crime and medical services. U.S. government personnel under Chief of Mission, security responsibility are prohibited from traveling to many areas due to increased risk. Please read the entire travel advisory. Country summary: violent crimes such as home invasions, armed robberies, sexual assaults, and homicides are common. Sexual assaults occur frequently, including at all-inclusive resort. So now you hear what I'm saying. So this is why I'm saying why this person come out and I say the American them lie. when how and everything when me just say is the truth. Them say because of violent crime such as home invasion, which is true, armed robberies, which is true, sexual assaults, which is true, and homicides are common, which is true. Sexual assaults occur frequently, which is true, including at all inclusive resorts, which is true. On hear nobody think say America no know what go on. They know everything that is happening. So when me see una write some things, me have to wonder if una really have sense or if una really read the Traveler Adversary. My viewers and subscribers, local police often do not respond effectively to serious criminal incidents. When arrests are made, cases are infrequently prosecuted to a conclusive sentence. Families of U.S. citizens killed in accidents or homicides frequently wait a year or more for final death certificates to be issued by Jamaican authorities. The homicide rate reported by the government of Jamaica has for several years been among the highest in the Western. Wanna hear what the people them say? Wanna hear what the people them say? Wanna fi open up on the ears and look out on the kulu eye. Them said the homicide rate reported by the government of Jamaica has for several years been among the highest in the Western Hemisphere. Okay, so when they not talk say Americans this and that, yeah, them know everything will happen. Them know everything. Okay, it continue. Emergency services and hospital care vary throughout the island, and the response times and quality of care may vary from U.S. standards. Public hospitals are under-resourced and cannot always provide high-level or specialized care. Private hospitals require payment upfront before admitting patients and may not have the ability to provide specialized care. When I hear them something here, ambulance services are not always readily available, especially in rural areas. So tell me where they lie there. Tell me where they lie there. My viewers and subscribers, yeah? The American, them a protect them people. Just put it like that. They not stay like Andrew Holness and Christopher Tufton when I care about una health. Me tell you all the while say Andrew Holness not care about nobody else. Andrew Holness want everybody dead off one by one, so he can take you all of the land them and sell, and then the man in family move God them house where them building at the Small Island. I don't think say some joke thing. Hey, and me can't go on and on and on. So then if you cancel it, because if you have Christopher Tufton as a health minister, well, claim that he's a health minister, come out and said, well, healthcare in Jamaica cannot cater for millions of tourists that is coming to Jamaica. What you expect American are going to say? Them are going to tell them people say, don't go to Jamaica. And I do not blame them. And anybody listening to me and watching my channel, the US embassy said any American that is in any trouble while you're on holiday in Jamaica, contact the US embassy in Kingston on the ear. So if you got no hospital and the hospital are going with crap and are going with them foolishness, you call the US embassy located in Jamaica. Yeah, and them will come and rescue you. You understand me? Because really and truly, Andrew Holness not even care about him people. So I don't think him going to care about abroad. The only thing they care about is wealth. It's just bring in all the investors who can invest and build up infrastructure, apartment, and one bag of something for the richer get richer and the poorer get poorer. That's all I say Andrew Holness I do. And if you don't know, Andrew Holness came out and he said he is very proud of Christopher Tufton with the job that he's doing. So the whole on the pound on. All right? But don't tell me what you think. Me have more in I can read out for you. But right now, me just leave that for another time. So I just storm up the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.